Uh-oh. Whoops. Mr. Bell was on a different slide by accident. If you can hear me, say shh. All right. So, we are on session 4, a refined session. Our learning targets are to use a rule to continue a number pattern, okay? Use a rule to continue a shape pattern and describe a number or shape pattern in more than one way. Okay, first things first, everybody, please take out your math notebook. I'm gonna set a timer. It says 5 minutes, guys. I don't think we need 5 minutes for this. I think we need about 2 minutes for this.
Ooh, wait for what?
So before we started our lesson, didn't I say if you can't see, we need to move? So if you can't see, move over there. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, say so. Class.
Yes, yes.
You're going to look at the number in the place value chart. Excuse me, class.
Yes, yes.
Strike one.
Me?
Before, right? Class.
Yes, yes.
We've already seen this because we took a test on this, right? So this first question is directly off of that test, right? So we're doing a refresher, what we call a refresher, to make sure that we understand our content. So I'm going to give you about 1 more minute here, maybe 2. Let's see. To get this over, so I did tell you 2. Look at the number in the place value chart. Okay? How can the number in the place value chart be written? Choose all the correct answers. So you need to look at this number in this place value chart. Okay, use that to select all the correct answers written. So you have a place value chart to help support you on your desk. You may go ahead and use that. I'll be coming around and handing some charts out to some more friends. If you might need one, just please raise your hand as you work on this. If you feel like you might need a place value chart. Pencils though? Okay.
There's one behind me. Oh, he's giving you one.
Does anybody else need a place value chart? Okay. Here we go. I don't think we need one, but you go ahead if it makes you feel comfortable. All right, class.
Yes, yes.
If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, say thumb up if you're already done with this. Thumb up. Thumb up. Oh, I see a lot of thumbs. All right. I'll give you about 10 more seconds here, and we'll go over this. About 10 more seconds, okay? All right. So, my show of thumbs. If you pick this one, 13,026, please just show me your thumbs. I see some thumbs. Okay. If you click the next one, 1,326, show me a thumb if you pick that one. Pick that one? Okay. Okay. If you pick this one, 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 20 plus 6, thumb up. Thumb up for that one. Okay, what do we call that form? Class. Whoa, excuse me. Okay, the speaker on class got what? Raise our hand, wait, and then wait to do what? Call them. So, sire.
It's called Expanded form.
Expanded form. Awesome job. If you pick one with expanded form, go ahead. If you pick 13,000, comma 26, give me a thumb up. Anybody pick that one? Okay. Okay, a few people. And what about this one?
No.
Anybody pick this one? 10,000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 60. Okay, we have one or two. Okay, strike one. Excuse me. Should we be throwing things in the classroom? Is that amusing to anybody?
No. I didn't write. Oh, that's right.
So, if you pick the first one with your thumb, correct. If you pick this one in expanded form, correct. And if you pick the next one, 13,026, you are correct. Because how do we say that number? Class, let's say this number all together.
13,026.
Awesome job, awesome job, awesome job. Now,
There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Effortful learning.
all right, thank you for that message, our growth mindset message, William. I appreciate that. Then we have our learning pit here. I bet I can. Whoa, this is more challenging than I expected. I'm not sure. I can't do this. I don't get it. I'm lost. I'm stuck. I'm frustrated. Let's work together. What tools could I use? And I did it. Now I'm wondering. Okay, that's our learning pit. At some point, we might all be here through our lesson. But guess what our job is? Even if we get in the pit, we use our resources around us, whether that's Mr. Bell, whether that's Miss O, whether that's our manipulatives, whatever we need to get out of that pit. All right, our learning intentions for today. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
I'll wait for 100%. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, 100%. Thank you, everybody, for doing that quickly. Our learning intention. Use a rule to continue a number pattern. Use a rule to continue a shape pattern. Describe a number or shape pattern in more than one way. Our success criteria is how we know we're successful today. Find the rule and use it to continue the number pattern. Look at the shapes, find what changes, and use that rule to continue that shape pattern. Explain the pattern using numbers, words, or pictures in more than one way. Class.
Yes, yes.
I hear some voices. I shouldn't hear any. Elijah, you gotta fix where we're seated, my man. All eyes should be this way. All eyes should be this way. Use math words and a sentence frame to explain my pattern rule. All right. Environmental connection. Red beans and rice are foods that can be included in a vegan diet. A vegan diet does not include any animal products, right? We know that about red beans and rice. And if you like me, you might love it. Show of hands if you like red beans and rice. Just show of hands. You don't got to say anything. Just show of hands. All right. I know. If I'm in a pinch and I can't go anywhere else, I'll go to Popeyes and get some red beans and rice.
I only went to KFC once.
So what are some factors that people might think about when deciding whether to eat a vegan meal? I'll call on 2 or 3 of you. Actually, I'll give you 30 seconds to think. Then I'll call on 2 or 3 of you. 30-second timer. We have a 30-second timer. If you got a fact, you just shoot me a quiet thumb up. Thank you, Rich. You have a fact. Okay. All right. I'm seeing quite a few thumbs. We have about 5 seconds left to think. I'll call on about 3 of you. So if I don't call on you, don't worry about it. All right. Time is up. Now, first hand I saw was Rich. What are some factors people might think about when they decide to eat a vegan meal? What do you think?
Vegetables.
Vegetables, they want to eat vegetables? Okay. Nyla, why might someone want to be vegan? Or they might want a vegan meal. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do. A salad. A salad could be a vegan meal if you don't put any meat or animal products on it, right? Because some people are health conscious, right? They don't eat fast food or junk food and kunai. Noodles. It depends. If the noodles are dipped, if they do an egg wash on those noodles, those are now not vegan. It just depends on how the noodles are made. Okay. So vegan means there's no animal products. That means nothing from an animal. All right. That means there's nothing from an animal there. All right, class 5.
Yes, yes.
We have our example here. Can I get a friend to read our example? Nevaeh, can you read our example? All right. So look at how you can show your work using this picture. So we're going to do our 3 reads, okay? We're going to do our 3 reads, then we'll pair and share. All right. The student used the rule add 2 because each bowl costs $2 more than the next bowl, right? So that's what they're telling us. So that's the rule we're using. The rule of 2, okay? Very similar to what? In multiplication or in skip counting. By 2, right? If we skip count it by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8. Or if we multiply 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, right? Now, how could you use the cost of a small bowl to find the cost of a medium bowl? How could you do that? Take a second, think about it. All right? Just take a second. Just think to yourself, all right? Thumb up once you kind of thought to yourself about it. I need everybody to please slant. Please slant, everyone. Up, okay, we're seated properly in our seats. We're tracking me, we're tracking the speaker. Our feet are on the floor. You nod your head if you agree. Okay, you ask and answer questions appropriately. Now, next one. How could you use the cost of the medium bowl to find the cost of the large bowl? Think about that one to yourself. Think about that one to yourself. How could you use the cost of the medium bowl to find the cost of the large bowl? Next, we thought to ourselves, in a minute, Christian, in a minute. How does the drawing help you solve this problem? How else might you solve it? Now you're going to think to yourself, how does the drawing help you solve this problem? How else might you solve it? Okay? I need everybody's eyes forward, ears open, and mouths closed. Our mouths are closed. Great job on that class. I need everybody's eyes on the screen thinking about this. Okay? Now take a second to reread all 3 of those to yourself. I'll give you about 2 minutes to reread those and think about them to yourselves. Actually, 1 minute. That's quite a long time. Thank you, Nevaeh. Okay, we're thinking about it. We're even helping our partners. You're already ahead. Now, class 5.
Yes.
Okay. You're all right? All right. All right, now we're going to pair share. Are there other ways to describe the pattern set in this number? Think to yourself. Okay, you're going to pair up with an elbow partner. If you have more than 2 people near you, okay, you're going to pair up with the elbow partner. So you 2 will pair up here. There might be groups of 3, possibly. We're going to pair up and think. Class.
Yes, yes.
1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Need 100%. 100%. I don't have 100% over here. I also need it at a level 0. Thank you. Are there other ways to describe the pattern in this set? Please pair up and talk to your partners. You should be paired up talking to our partners. Go ahead. You guys will be a part of a set of 3. You guys will be a set of 3. Yes. Okay, I'll allow it. DJ, what's going on, my man? We're having a whole outfit change here. What should we be doing right now? Okay, don't worry, we're going to stand up and pair up in just a minute, my man. But for now, you can take a seat. Welcome back, Lyndon. Welcome back. Yeah, that'd be it. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, class. Thank you for quieting down. So, by the sound of it, we've all paired up, we've all talked about this. I hope. Okay. Now, are there any groups that found a different way to word this? A different way to word this. Instead of using the rule of 2, anybody find a different way? A little early. Anybody find a different way to describe the pattern in these numbers? Okay, we could say that the value, we can learn the value by going by 2. So, class.
Yes, yes.
Can you say this one in a different way? How can you use the cost of the small bowl to find the cost of the medium bowl? How could you rephrase that for your answer? How could you rephrase that and describe it? It's going up by 2. How can that help us find the answer?
3 plus 2 equals 5. That's 5. And 5 plus 2 equals 7. So that's 7.
Okay.
Basically, the total.
Basically, the total will help us. Okay. So let's talk about that. The medium bowl is how much?
$5. $5.
Sonny, please go back to your seat.
No, because Christian just said, okay, I don't care who it was, each one you're going to pick it up and throw it away. Because Christian just told me you threw it. I don't care
If
who
you
it
can
was,
hear me,
pick it up and
clap
throw it away.
once.
And
If
I'm
you
going to
can
give you
hear
a
me,
mic so you can
clap
pick it up.
twice. If you can hear me, say shh. So we have 2 groups that have lost table points and 2 individuals that will be getting a strike. If you can hear me, say shh. Okay, so how can knowing the price of the small bowl help you find the price of the medium bowl? Well, how much was the small bowl, class?
$3.
$3, right? So then the medium bowl, if it went up by $2, has to be what, Rick?
5.
5.
3
Oh,
plus
I
5
didn't.
equals. 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Awesome answer, Rich. I didn't know we had 3 people named Rich in here.
There is.
Okay, just throw it away.
Thank you for my people that quieted down.
Already on the board.
Oh, it sure was.
Wait, why do I got a strike?
Excuse me. When you want to speak in my classroom, what do you need to do?
Raise your hand.
And wait for what?
Permission to speak. And the teacher to call on you.
1 second, please. All right.
Drop it. Drop
price of the medium bowl is now $5. So how can us knowing the price of the medium bowl help us for the large bowl? Monroe.
Because the small bowl and the medium bowl both added up by $2, so the large bowl is going to add up by $2.
Right. So when we see the original price of a small bowl is $3, we went up by 2, and we went up by 2 more, which gave us that price of $7 for the large bowl. All right, apply it, class.
Yes.
I need a noise level of 0. Thank you. And I need all eyes on me. Thank you. 1 second, William. 1 second. Write a rule for the pattern below. I will give you about 2 minutes. It says 3. I might give you 3, but I think this class will also use 2.
No.
All right, excuse me. All right. So, write a rule for the pattern below. Draw the next figure. How many circles will the next figure in the pattern have? How many circles will the next figure in the pattern have? You will pair up with your elbow partner quietly at a noise level of 0 and find a solution for this one. It says 3 minutes, but I'm going to give you 2. You're not going to help you. Okay, but what was your question? I did, but I couldn't. You want to help me in a second? DJ, we should be in a group of 3. So we should be working with our partners to see how they did it. Not gonna help you. How we doing over here? Thumb up if you and your partner have already found the solution. Thumb up, thumb up. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes. Go ahead. Are there any groups that haven't found the solution yet? Raise your hand if you and your partner haven't. We have a group that hasn't yet. You and your partner haven't. You 3 are a group. They've raised their hand. So are we not working as a group? Yes. Okay. All right, we can stop there. Then it seems like everybody found it. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Waiting for 100%. Thank you, Elijah. Thank you, Gerard. All right. Now, William, would you like to share what you and your partner found out? So, how many circles will this next figure have?
It would have 15 because it's going by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, what's going by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
The numbers at the bottom go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
Okay, so then how did you know it was 15, William?
Because when there's 1 circle, because if you see it, there's 6 circles in the third one. Then they add 4 more to the bottom in the fourth.
Okay, I like that, right? So each pattern grew, so this one grew by 2 circles, this one grew by 4, right? And then this one grew by 6.
No, the third one grew by 3.
It grew by 3. It grew by 3, but let's see, so then what rule would that be?
It would be going 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. And then they'll go.
So each amount, how much did each amount increase by though? By a multiple of what? By a rule of what?
I know
Right, we're skip counting. We started at 1.
Counted by 3.
It went up by multiples of what?
3.
3. So we started at 1. We multiplied by 3. We got 3. Awesome job, guys. We multiplied, right? Now we have 3 here. We multiplied 3 by 2. We got how much?
6. 10. No, it's 6. Bro. 20.
We got 6 here. Then we multiply. Oh, that doesn't work. 3 doesn't work.
No,
Right?
it's 1, 2. It's going 1, 2. It's
Do the
going
last
1.
one. Count the
It's
last
going
one.
3,
Is it
3,
counting by
3.
it's 10?
Then 5. Then 5, 5, 5.
Excuse me, class.
Yes.
So, if we look here, our amount, it doubled. It doubled. It doubled. Right, well, here it tripled. Right, we added
The
2.
last one is by 5.
This one, it went by 5.
No, the last one, the big one.
The big one went by 5.
Yes. Because if you try to count it by 3, it's gonna be over 11.
Right. So, but that's multiples of 3, right? We got 3, right? We got 6. How many we get here?
9.
That's 10. And then that would be by 6, right?
This one grew by 6, yes. So this one grew
So that makes
by
it
2,
12.
right? This one grew by 3. This one grew by how many? 4. And then this one grew by what? 5.
That's what I've been trying to tell you.
Oh, I misheard you. I
And you
apologize.
said
I
you
misheard
said
you.
by 3.
Yeah, you said
Yeah, but look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so each set increased. Okay, I got you. Class.
Yes, yes.
I apologize for the confusion. I misheard you. I was trying to work the problem out to understand which way we were thinking. All right, next pattern. I will give you 1 minute for this one after I read you the question. Felipe draws a shape pattern that goes back and forth between rectangles and ovals. What are 2 other ways you can describe this set of shapes? What are 2 other ways you can describe this set of shapes? There are several ways to describe a pattern. So let's think of other ways. If you already found some, awesome. Now you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pair with our partner and then we'll share out. Okay, I will give everybody a little bit of time to do that.
You. And because the first one has 4 sides.
4, 0, 4, 0.
We got some already, Zaire? You your partner? Awesome. We got some here. We got a few more groups still working. Great job. We're done. Awesome. Class.
Yes.
Do we have any groups that are still sharing? That are still working it out? Let me. Sorry.
Honestly, I wouldn't.
All right. If you can hear me, clap once. Thank you, Nevaeh. Thank you, Rich. Let's try that again. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, say shh. Thank you, class. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right. Felipe draws a shape pattern that goes back and forth between rectangles and ovals. I'll wait. Thank you. What are 2 ways you can describe this set of shapes? Zaire, then Rich.
4, 0, 4, 0, 4, 0.
404040. And explain to me, Zaire, why did you pick 404040?
I picked 4, 0, 4, 0.
Awesome Awesome job. Thumb up if that's what you and your partner came up with. Thumb up. Okay, we got a lot of groups that came up with that. Amazing. Awesome. Do you have any groups that came up with a different way to say this one, a different way to phrase it? What did you and your partner come up with today a different way?
The first one has 4 corners and 4 sides, and the next one is like
And no sides. So we got the same answer, we're just saying it in a different way. Anybody have another answer that's different from the two we've heard? No? You do, Will?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
I noticed that it's going 40 space 40 space 40, and then it's gonna keep doing that rhythm.
You're right, that is a rhythm, but that's the exact same rhythm they already said, though. But thank you for that, right? You just type that into our ELA and learn about rhythm. All right. Class 5.
Yes.
How can you best check your answer? Latasha, excuse me. Everybody please slant. I'm waiting on a few friends to slant. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, eyes on you.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Waiting on 100% here. All right. Natasha uses the rule multiply by 2 to write a number pattern, shown below. If the pattern continues, what will the next number in the pattern be? So you're going to answer this question in 2 parts. What I want you to do here is, after you answer this part, then tell me, Diego chose A as his answer. Did he get that answer correct? All right. I want everybody to do this one individually. I know it says pair share. We're going to do this one by ourselves. I want to check for some understanding. So do this one by yourself. Do this one by yourself.
If the pattern continues.
All right, if we're doing this by ourselves, I shouldn't hear side conversations, class. Just thumb up when you're done. You've answered this and this. Just thumb up.
But should I want to see like if it's correct or not?
Yep, you got to tell me the answer, and then you got to tell me, is he correct or not?
That's what you call it.
Thumb up if you found the answer. Keep working, keep working. Make sure we have both of them written down. I need to see your answer, the letter, and then tell me if Diego is correct or not. You got to answer both questions. Both. See, is it correct?
Wait, are you filming us?
Oh, real actors.
Oh, dear, I didn't see that. Good job.
Yeah, me too.
Awesome job, Mitchell. Awesome job. You even explained his reasoning. Awesome job, Mitchell. All right, class 5.
Yes,
If I didn't get to you with the sticker right now, you got it correct. Holler at me later. We'll handle it. And everybody's eyes forward, ears open, mouth closed. All right, we'll go over this one very quickly. If the pattern continues, what would the next number in this pattern be? If you think it's A, raise your hand. If you think it's B, raise your hand. If you think it's C, raise your hand. Unanimous decision. Awesome job. Diego chose A as a correct answer.
He's wrong.
Yeah, why you asking?
I'm talking, who's talking?
You.
All right, hands down, please. Okay, 82, obviously not the right answer. Now, class.
Yeah.
We're going to do a different grouping style really quickly. Here we are going to do the rally coach. You should be familiar with it. We got partner A's, partner B's. Usually how we do partner A, partner B, who's taller, who's shorter. That's the same rule is going to apply. You'll do that once you get to the question. We don't got to get up and do it right now. I need everybody's eyes on me first. I'll wait. Thank you. Okay. Partner A solves the first problem. Partner B watches, listens, and checks and coaches if necessary. Okay. And praises. Please praise your partner. And then partner B is going to do the same thing next. If we have 3 partners, then we'll rotate it around or you'll split, okay? Or actually, you two will tag team a question. Okay. Everybody, please go ahead and give it to your group. The rule for a pattern shown below is add 10. That would be the 99th number in the pattern. Hey, what would be the 99th number in this pattern here? Don't share it with me. Just show me on your paper. So that means you need to stand up, right? Whoever's a partner A, you need to be going ahead and working. And partner B, you need to be coaching. Whoever's the partner B, you should be up watching your partner and helping them.
Wait, is partner B the taller or shorter?
Partner B is the shorter one, but it doesn't matter. If you already picked, it's fine. Okay?
I'll be partner A.
That's fine. That's fine.
Look.
Cheyenne.
Shorter.
And you're obviously
Alright, Ben, so I'll be partner A.
Excuse me.
No, you're being partner B.
Please partner up and get to work. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, say shh. Let's get to work, please. If you got the answer, just give me a thumb up. Okay. What about your team? Good work. Your team has it over here.
Wait. It's Snapchat for me, Master.
Is there any particular reason you're not helping your partners right now, sir?
I'm trying to help.
Oh, no, not you.
Look.
You said you got D?
You
got D? Okay.
Wait, remember we did this last time? I did D and I got it wrong, so I think it's C.
3,
Yeah, you're right.
2, 1. Thank you. All right. Class.
Yes.
By the looks of it, everybody, we got done 50 seconds faster than we needed to. So we'll go ahead and talk about this one. If you or your partner thought the answer was A, give me a thumb.
Wait, no.
Excuse me, sir, is that safe? Okay. If you and your partner thought the answer was B, give me a thumb. If you and your partner thought the answer was C, give me a thumb. I had a few C's out there. And if you and your partner thought the answer was D, give me a thumb.
Maybe.
The answer should be D.
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1.
I think I'm told.
Class.
Yes.
can explain to me why the answer is D? There's a shortcut. Remember that shortcut we talked about you can use with tens? There's a shortcut you can do. Not add a 9, but any number. We're doing a pattern of what, class? 10. So anytime you're multiplying a number by 10, all you gotta do is add a what? A 0 to it. That'll give us our answer. 990.
Oh, I forgot about that.
So what rule would this be? If you can hear me say shh. So what rule would this be? We call this the rule of what? Awesome answer, Monroe. I'll leave a sticker. The rule of 10. Now, partner B's. Thank you, London. Your turn. Kamaya's dad is helping her make a wallet for her stepfather. Kamaya uses tools to stamp a shape pattern on the wallet. The shape pattern is shown below. Now, class 5.
Yes.
A lot of you just dove into the last one. This one, I want to make sure that you do your 3 reads. Please, partner A and B, each of you reread this again. Each read it taking a turn, so that way we get to our 3 reads and we can understand what the question's asking us. Did we already do this one? No, we did one similar to this one. Okay, select all the statements that correctly describe the pattern.